Hi, my name is Kalina, and welcome to this tutorial where we will walk you through the process of importing and inviting your current contacts to join your LyfQuest CRM platform. So this process allows you to use your current contacts as lead generations to opt into your LyfQuest CRM platform, essentially turning your existing network into a robust marketing tool. So first, we'll navigate to the Clients tab located at the top left corner. And from here, you'll click on the Groups tab here and create a placeholder for the contacts that you'll be importing from your CSV file. So you can name this group according to your preference or use the date of import as a reference point. This is very crucial to ensure a smooth transaction. So if you wish to invite your contacts to an existing program or services, that ensure that they are assigned appropriately in this section as well. In other words, make sure that the program or service that they're going to have access to is also visible and located and created here. So after setting up your contact groups, I want you to return to your Clients tab. And then click on Import. This is where you'll upload your CSV file. So please note that for a successful sync, the fields on your CSV file must match exactly what our fields are. So for more information on how to do this correctly, refer to our detailed tutorial titled Learn More About Import. Once your CSV file is uploaded, LyfQuest will create individual profile cards for each of your contacts. To confirm that all your contacts were imported correctly, you'll come here to sort by not yet invited. For each contact card, you'll click on the contact card, edit to perform two actions. One, invite them to the placeholder you've created. And if desired, specify the program or service they are being granted access to. Each of your contacts may not necessarily go into the same program. So this is important. Again, click edit, invite them to the placeholder you've just created, and then specify the program or services they are being granted access to. And you can opt them into more than one experience from here. Once you hit save, you'll do this for each of the contact cards to ensure that they have been added to both of those groups. After completing this for all contacts, return to the Groups tab. Open the temporary group. You should see all the not yet invited. You can also pick up a few people that may have been missed. Click on email. Once you click on email, your contacts will be located in the BCC line. In the body of the email, you can use the standard welcome message that auto-generates to your individual clients when they're added one at a time, or you can draft a more personalized message. A link or icon directing to either the App Store, iCloud, or Google Play, so that your clients can download the mobile app. Also provide brief instructions on what they should do next. And it is truly important to remind them to use the same email for registration that they have received the invite notification. Once you have drafted the communication, you can send this mass communication to everyone that has populated in the BCC line. Once they have downloaded the app and entered the email address, they will be presented with your landing page featuring your mobile app branding. This assures them that they are in the right location. As they continue to accept the invitation, they will be prompted to create a password and accept the user terms of the agreement. And after doing so, they will then populate inside your mobile app and private client experience. You will receive a notification for every individual that has logged into the mobile app experience for the first time, allowing you to keep track of your growing user base. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use your existing contacts to market your LyfQuest CRM private client platform. We hope that this helps you unlock the full potential of your CRM system. Take care.